What if you could press one button and have a fully functioning automated online superstore? And what if we hosted it for you? These are the same stores with built-in free traffic that are making us $1,000 to $2,000 sales by selling products that are weird, yet selling like hotcakes. Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then please give your full attention to this super short video because we've been able to accomplish exactly this. And if you stick with me, I'll give you a chance to get a free copy of Dynasty. Now, let me be honest with you. These products we're selling are not ordinary. In fact, they're downright weird and some are embarrassing. But they sell like hotcakes. And if you look at the screenshot below, they're getting us $1,000 to $2,000 sales over and over and over like there's no end in sight. And the best part about all this, I don't need to keep inventory, so there's no pile of boxes making my house a mess. I don't need to ship anything, so that means no printing out labels and driving back and forth to ship items. Instead, we have a little trick up our sleeves that does all the work for us. This is your chance to join the $1 trillion online store revolution. Introducing Dynasty. Dynasty lets you click your mouse and instantly clone my most successful online stores. Remember, these are packed with proven to sell products. And here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1, activate your online store. Dynasty lets you activate a professional looking, flexible, and easy to customize store with DFY templates. It only takes you one click to do this. Step 2, add products to your store. Dynasty lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit products in less than a minute. Note, you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that. And step 3, send free traffic in one click. Dynasty lets you place your store in front of as many buyers' eyes as you want in less than a minute. You can tap into 9 viral buyer traffic platforms at the same time. And that's it. No headaches. And as I said earlier, you won't need to ship any of the products yourself because we do all that for you. Just take a few minutes to activate your online store, use the built-in traffic inside to start getting new customers instantly, and you're all set. Whenever someone buys, you get paid. The possibilities are huge, my friend. In fact, let me just show you some of the proof to show you that this is the real deal. Yes, that's over $60,000 in profits that all came from my online superstores. And it's all thanks to Dynasty. Now at this point, you might be wondering, how much will Dynasty cost me? Well, Dynasty was originally reserved for our high-paying coaching students who invested a minimum of $2,997. But to celebrate going public, we're going to sell this at a price anyone can afford. Not $2,997, not $997, not $97, not even $27. Just a one-time investment equivalent to a cheap t-shirt grants you full access to Dynasty. That's not much to ask for a system that's backed by years of results. And most importantly, it's dead easy to use. Listen, you won't find anything else out there like this. But there is a catch. Not everyone is going to be able to access Dynasty. Because let's be real for a moment. If everyone on the planet started using Dynasty, it would be rendered useless. So we can only take in a maximum number of users. This will ensure that these hot products we're selling will remain unique. So if you like the idea of having your own online superstore and tapping into the $1 trillion online store trend, then don't delay any longer. And to make this decision really easy for you, I'm going to make this a total no-brainer by giving you a 365-day better than money back guarantee. If this doesn't work out for you or you don't feel like it's worth your money, just let us know and we'll refund you every single penny. And heck, we'll even throw in $200 for wasting your time. Either way, you win, and there's no way for you to lose. The only way you lose is by not getting your hands on Dynasty. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Dynasty.